kasi lakas kumita eh. And people like the concept and aesthetic. So, ang dami ng bago.
Ito ba?
They added A-frames and then they added another building.
Ito.
It says villa A-frame. Pang marami siguro. Ito yung parang pang-anim. Yun. Our same restaurant. Still vegan. Yeah. Less dense, but more dense than the original.
Sa team, animo.
Apa.
So now there's no chance for instant regret and anything like that. And that gives you the chance.
Last day, golden hour. Ito pala sa may Camp Rogelio Beachfront. Wala masyadong tao. But it's also Sunday afternoon. Almost dusk. So, kumonti na nga yung tao. Saturday is the worst day. Like or pwede pang long sweater. Because it has a peach. So we're currently exploring. Pero nakalakad na tayo dito before. Kaya natin nakita tong malaking property. So ito siya.
The big stuff.
Parang pang glamping siya kasi parang centralized yung ano niya, bathroom niya. Punta tayo dun sa kabilang road din na ano. Kasi nakita ko may signage na yung Jesus Bruce. Eh last time we went there, yung sa Sunnyside Road. Not on the main road. Is it Villa Liz?
Hello, good morning.
No.
Yes.
Fetch niya yung stick.
Yes. Hello.
OMG. Oh my gosh. Makapakan ko siya.
Good morning.
The dog licked the back of my knee. It's wet. Anong oras na?
7:30.
It's already 7:30. Let's go, dog. Let's go, dog. Friendly yung mga dog dito. Pero, marami rin talaga nagdadala ng dog. Sandy feet.
Laki mo.
Oo nga no.
Pero sa side.
hide in.
Yes, 7:30.
7:30 na. It's time to wake up.
Pero may parking din siya sa atin.
Yeah. We've reached the end of the road. We just passed Alintala and Romeo needs to poop.
Ito na yung water. Sabi ko sa'yo, meron pa rin dito.
Tingnan nga natin. Okay, sa mga taong naghahanap ng land for sale. Resort na siya actually. So you can just contact this person. But for now, our agenda is exploration and greeting the chickens. Good morning, chickens. There's a bridge. Sa kabila ba yun?
Oo, kabilang side.
Last time naglakad kami dito, 2 years ago, may bayad pag tatawid ka ng bridge. Pero dun pala yun sa kabila. Doon.
Ito meron talagang body. Ito private yun.
So it looks like marshes
May
siya.
sarili siya.
Therefore, bring your off lotion kasi it might be dengue season or even just mosquitoes are annoying, right? Ayun, so we're gonna walk back kasi 7:30 na and then usapan namin 8 kami mag-breakfast. Ano lang, but I will
Uy, nagbuka na.
turn the camera so that you can see kung anong itsura ng road na to. This is the 3rd parallel road from the beach. So, yung second yung main road kung saan yung mga mommy Phoebes and all. Romeo the Explorer. Madali na yan.
Nawala. Nawala. Pero dami.
Ito yung may burger. So, dito sa ano na to? Ito ba? Hindi, ito.
No, parang tala eh.
Hindi, ayun po.
Before anong tala.
Before Aluntala, if you're coming from the main road, there's a burger place na masarap. Kinain kaya nila yung burger.
Let's get this. Folded din siya.
And then here, there's a tindahan. Actually, maraming sari-sari store dito. Pero it's a good thing because marami din namang turista and locals who need the convenience. Wala namang 7-Eleven dito eh.
Right.
Anong pangalan niya? Glamp. The Glamp.
The big one. Almost the big.
They're open for lunch and dinner. Tapos, marami mga pass through dito. So, we can just go through all of the skinny pass to go to the beach or the main road.
Ang random pinatapos. Mas
Nandito din yung parking area ng Casa Liwa. Kasi meron silang signage here.
maglabas ako. Dun mo.
What motor?
Kaya nagbibenta.
Nang
Alin ng palangka.
yeah.
Ipon. Bagong huli. Binuksan ni Kuya. Buhay pa yung ipon.
Yummy. Ito pa pala, another lot for sale. Ano siya? Sa tabi siya ng this is Agos ng Liwa. So, it's a vacant lot. I think this is probably mga 300 square meters. So, I'm just gonna take a screenshot of that if you are interested. And then we move on. Balik na tayo kasi nagmamadali yung isa dun. Ito din daw. This pizza place was highly recommended by our friend. So, ito try namin to within the trip.